Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to remove TurboTax premium service. Many users find themselves with a premium service they no longer need, perhaps due to a change in their tax situation. Downgrading is a simple way to manage your tax preparation costs effectively. We will walk through the steps to ensure you only pay for the services that truly align with your current tax filing requirements. This guide will help you navigate the process with ease and confidence. First, you will need to log into your TurboTax account. Once inside, locate the Tax Tools or My Account section, typically found on the left-hand navigation bar or at the top of the page. Here, you should see an overview of your current tax return and the product you are using. It is important to verify that you are currently on a premium service level before attempting to downgrade, ensuring you are making the correct adjustment. To downgrade, look for an option such as Clear and Start Over or a direct downgrade link, usually found near your product details. Clicking this will prompt you to confirm your choice. Be aware that downgrading may remove certain features or access to expert help. After confirmation, the system will adjust your service. Always double-check your account to ensure the downgrade was successful and reflects your desired service level. Remember, it is crucial to complete any downgrade before you pay for or electronically file your tax return. Once filed, changes become much more complex. Be mindful that downgrading means you will lose access to premium features, such as audit support or one-on-one expert assistance. Always confirm that a basic service meets your current tax needs. If your situation changes, you can typically upgrade again before you file.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.